In this video, I'm going to show you how you can insert a text box in Word document. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. To insert a text box is pretty simple. Just go ahead and place the cursor where you want to insert it. For instance, I want to insert it here. Once you have identified the spot, head over to insert on your Word document, and then after it, you should see we have an option for text box. Now, if you click on text box, we shall have quite a number of outlines or shapes for the text box that you can choose. Go ahead and choose any that you wish. For instance, I'll choose simple text box, and here we go. It's time to write the text. You can also choose the word style that you wish from this. So if you wish any of them, you can just go ahead and select and then write anything. For instance, my text box, like that, and format it as you wish. Now, if you click out, you should see we have a border around the text box. So that's how you can insert a text box in a Word document. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.